The journey of learning, discovery, and growth continues at DrumNexa. Today, our students participated in another engaging training and practice session with Uncle Benjamin, exploring the different parts of the drum kit, their names, functions, and the unique role each one plays in creating harmony. At DrumNexa, we do more than teach drumming. We teach understanding, purpose, and impact. Just as every drum has its own sound and significance, every individual carries unique gifts, strengths, and potential waiting to be discovered. When each part works together, beautiful rhythms are created, just as communities thrive when talents are nurtured and purpose is embraced. Through the transformative power of drumming, we are preserving culture, building character, promoting discipline and teamwork, and equipping young people with skills that can create opportunities and contribute to economic growth. Join us as we discover, nurture, and empower young potentials to become agents of positive change. DrumNexa, uniting talents, creating impact.